In this video, we will look at how to create a custom course and how the Hub allows you to customize it to fit all your homeschool needs. We begin in the Courses tab for our student Jonathan. We click the Assign button at the top. In this box, we choose Custom Course. The Hub will fill in the next two boxes at the top. In the Select Course, you are presented with several options. For this example, we choose 180 days, but we will not use them all. Here we can see we have completed the rest of the fields and can now click the Assign button. Clicking on the details of the course, we can see a few assignments that have been relabeled. To do this, we click on the View Lesson link. From the lesson overview, we click the Edit Lesson. This will edit the whole lesson from the title to the instructions to the students. You can add any info you want to these boxes and they will show up on the lesson overview. Several of the boxes are only shown on the student or parent profile. Once you have completed these boxes, click the Save button. Here we can see all the changes we made to the lesson. We want to edit the assignments inside the lesson, so we click the Edit link in the Actions column for Assignment 1. We change the assignment and gradebook title to Daily Practice. We give him 30 minutes to complete the assignment and we change the assignment type. Notice we have different names for these assignment types. If you want to learn how to customize these, watch the Edit Gradebook Settings video. On this assignment, we can see Worship Band Performance. Here we assign this with the type Performance and assign points based on the 3 hours he is there to practice and perform. In our next custom course, Noah attends a drawing class at our community college. We will assign this course so he can keep up with his materials he will need each day. This is a 16-week course but has no final, so we choose 30 lessons. The course meets twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday, which gives us 30 lessons. There's no homework since all of the work is done in the art lab, so he doesn't need to study for this course. We add more details to the lessons. Once he is done with this course and gets a grade from the school, this course will be sent to his transcript. The next course we want to add is a robotics course we are taking at co-op. Our co-op meets for 12 weeks in the fall, but we want to add days into our course for study and homework. By default, the shortest course you can choose is 30 lessons. The student has decided to complete the homework for this class on Tuesday, so the work is fresh in his mind before class. After completing the details on this page, click Assign. Now we want to modify the lesson plans for this course. Click on the details of the course and choose Course Planner. We scroll to the bottom of the course and count up 6. Click each one of these and then choose Skip. Scroll back up to the top and click the Save and Reschedule button. Now we have 24 lessons, 2 for each week. Here we can see that the lesson titles have been changed to reflect his homework and schedule for the class. These custom courses are a great way to keep track of outside courses. Custom courses can be used for anything from PE, music, and even courses that will be sent to the high school transcript. The Hub allows you to blend custom courses with the BJU Press Homeschool curriculum to create a schedule that fits your homeschool needs.